In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to enter bills for those inventories that we receive from vendor or supplier, but we didn't receive bills for it. Here you can see on the home page, enter bills against inventory. We can enter bills from here, and as well we can enter bills from vendors. Click on vendor, then click on enter bill for received items. Click on it, and here you can choose vendor. For example, this is my vendor, and here you can select your bill based on date or reference number. Then click on OK, and then click on save and close, and then click yes. So this the bill we enter for the inventory that we received. And again, we can, here you can see on home page, enter bills against inventory. Click on it and choose vendor from here, and choose and select your bill and click on OK. Then click save and close, then click yes. So the bill will be entered. And here we can see pay bills, how we will make payments for those bills. Here you can see on the home page, click on pay bills and click on checkbox, and here you can choose the method of payment, and here you can choose your account from which you will make payment, and then click pay selected bills. And here you can see pay more bills. If you click on it, so you can pay more bills. If you click print checks, so you can print from here your checks as well. For example, okay, and here you can see the font size and setting, and then click print. And again, you can see you can pay more than one bill as well in this forum, and click on pay select bills. And here you can see if you want to send an email, click on email, so you can send as well from email. You can write here from which email number to which email, and the attachment will be sent an email to your vendor.